Hello CS scholars, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Yes, so we have completed with our 8th chapter, birds. And now we have to see the question and answers. Okay, so now short answers. Yes, so question number 1. Which part of a bird's body help it to fly? So very easy question. Which part of the birds help it to fly? Birds fly with the help of their wings. Yes. Now moving further to question number 2. Why do different birds have different kinds of beak? Yes, we have seen that different birds have different kinds of beak. But why do all the birds have different kinds of beak? Birds have different kinds of beak depending upon the kind of food they eat. Yes, so different birds eat different kinds of food. So according to the food they eat, they have different kinds of beak. Now question number 3. Name two body parts that help us to identify a bird. So how can we identify which bird it is? We can identify birds by observing their beaks and feet. Yes, because all birds have different types of beak and different types of feet. So by looking at the feet and the beak, we can get which bird it is. Okay, question number 4. What are wading birds? Birds such as cranes and herons wade or move through water with the help of their thin, long legs. They are called wading birds. Means they will move into the water or move through the water with the help of their thin and long legs. Now, long question and answers. So, first question is describe the different kinds of feathers found in birds. So now we will see which are the different kinds of feathers. So first is flight feathers. They are found on the wings and help the birds to fly. Like the name itself says, flight feathers. So they are used for flying. Then the down feathers. They are soft and fluffy and help to keep the body of the bird warm. Yes, so these type of feathers are soft and fluffy. To maintain the body temperature of the birds, down feathers are very important. Nestlings have a lot of down feathers. Means baby birds, they have lot of down feathers. Now the third type is body feathers. They cover the body and give shape to the body of the bird. The body feathers are of different colors and shapes. So body feathers are mainly to give shape to the bird's body. Okay, so the three different types of feathers are flight feathers, down feathers and body feathers. Okay, now question number 2. List the different kinds of beak of birds and their special features. Give two examples of each. So our answer for different types of beak is birds have different kinds of beak depending upon the kind of food they eat. Yes. First is strong, short and hard beak. So birds such as pigeons and sparrows, they eat nuts and seed. They have a short, strong and hard beak to break open the seeds easily. Yes, so they have short and strong as well as hard beak so that they can open the seed easily. Then it is strong and pointed beak. So woodpeckers and hoppers, they have to make a hole in the trunk of the tree to pull out the insects. That's why they need a pointed and sharp beak. Then it is long and pointed beak. So long and pointed beak, who has? Hummingbird has. Yes, because they have to suck the nectar from the flowers. Then it is next type of beak is strong, sharp and hooked. So why they need hooked? Because the birds such as eagles, hawks and vultures, they eat flesh. They have to tear the flesh of other animals. So this hooked beak help them to tear off the flesh of other animals. And the last type of beak is broad and flat. So some birds such as ducks and geese, yes, they have this type of flat and broad beak. Now moving further to to our next question, question number 3. What are webbed feet? Why do they help water birds? Okay, so we have seen that webbed feet are birds like duck and geese. The feet are connected, yes, with a thin layer of skin. So birds, water birds such as ducks and geese have webbed feet that acts like pedals and help these birds in swimming, because duck and geese live in water, so they need to swim. So the front toes in webbed feet of these birds are jointed together by the skin. So water birds are living in water, so they need to swim. That's why webbed feet are very important for them to swim in the water. Now next question is question number 4. Why do birds need a nest? Yes, very important questions. So birds build nests to live. Different birds build different kinds of nest to lay eggs and to look after their nestlings, that is young ones. When a nestling hatches from the eggs, it is unable to fly and they need to be looked after. So birds keep their young ones safe and warm inside the nest. So to protect their eggs and to lay the eggs and to protect the baby bird, the birds need to build their nest. Okay, now the last question, question number 5. Describe any 3 special nests of birds. Yes, so now the 3 special nest of birds. First is weaver birds. So weaver birds, they will weave the pieces of leaves, twigs, straws and make their nest. Then tailor bird, it will stitch the needle. The beak of the bird is used as needle and it will stitch the leaves and make their nest. And the third one is penguins. Penguins, they live in cold place, so they collect pebbles and stones to make their nest. Okay children, I hope you all understood. Now this chapter is over here and we will start with our new chapter in the next lecture. Till then you all stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.